Hi traders, Hugh Grossman here. I'm the founder and head trading mentor at the Day Trade SPY Trading Academy. If you're like most of our clients, you're probably here because you've recognized an incredible opportunity in trading. Maybe you've heard success stories from a friend, or maybe you've even had some limited success and are excited to better your own skills. Either way, trading is not a walk in the park. While there's plenty of opportunity, not every trade will be easy and not every trade will be profitable. Few ever want to talk about those challenging moments where traders deal with fears and losses, but navigating these aspects is a key to long-term success. When you're in a trade, you have to watch those positions. You have to set limits on holding positions, whether it's going to be a time component or a technical or a loss amount. You have to be on top of your game. You have to know when to stay in and when to get out. Those are critical questions that you have to understand. And speaking of understanding, not just how SPY moves and why it's important, but understanding your own emotions and getting scared out of a trade. These are very important. In fact, most traders get out at the worst times because of their emotions, not because of the strategy. Trading is actually more than just following a strategy. It's also about understanding the market and yourself as a trader. We help bring everything together. Folks, watch for my next few emails as we'll be taking you through those first key steps in navigating the trading world. Please register at the link below. I look forward to seeing you.